Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating word. Today's word is companion, a C1 level noun. So, what exactly does companion mean? Well, a companion is essentially a friend or partner, someone who accompanies you or shares experiences with you. It suggests a sense of camaraderie and shared activity. It's more than just an acquaintance. It's someone with whom you enjoy spending time and feel a sense of connection. Now, let's delve deeper into the meaning by exploring some synonyms. One synonym for companion is associate. For example, he is a close associate of the company's CEO. Another synonym is friend. She's been my best friend since kindergarten. We also have ally. Consider the sentence, in times of trouble, a true ally is invaluable. Another useful synonym is partner. She's my business partner and a trusted confidant. Finally, think about the word cohort, which means a group of people banded together or treated as a group. The graduating cohort of 2024 celebrated their achievements. Now, let's consider the flip side of the coin, the antonyms of companion. An antonym for companion is enemy. He considered his former enemy his unlikely ally. Another antonym is adversary. The two politicians were bitter adversaries. We also have stranger. She was a complete stranger to everyone at the party. Think about the word opponent. He faced a formidable opponent in a championship match. A final antonym is rival. The two companies were fierce rivals in the marketplace. So, how can you use companion in your everyday life? Well, imagine you're talking about your dog. You could say, my dog is my loyal companion. Or, if you're planning a trip with a friend, you might say, I'm so excited to have you as my travel companion. You could also use it in a more figurative sense, such as, silence can be a comforting companion at times. Here are some more usage examples in sentences and phrases. He found solace in a companion of his books during the long winter evenings. She has been a constant companion to her elderly mother. The solitude of the mountains offered him a unique form of companionship with nature. He valued the quiet companionship they shared while fishing. They were inseparable companions, always together on adventures. Consider these phrases. Traveling companions often form strong bonds. He sought the companionship of like-minded individuals. She became a faithful companion to the princess. The software package includes a helpful companion guide. The lonely astronaut valued the simulated companionship of his onboard AI. Let's recap what we've learned today. The word companion means a friend or partner, someone who accompanies you or shares experiences. We explored synonyms such as associate, friend, ally, partner, and cohort, and antonyms like enemy, adversary, stranger, opponent, and rival. We also looked at how companion is used in everyday conversations and phrases. I hope you found this episode helpful in expanding your vocabulary and understanding of the English language. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. Before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and learn English too. And now for your challenge. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word companion and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to read your creative examples. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words. Remember, language learning is a journey best taken with good companions. Goodbye and happy learning.